Hello, everyone. It is Sarah, and welcome back to Easy English Flow. I am so happy to see you here for day 3 of our 20-day shadowing challenge. Today, our topic is food and meals. We are going to practice phrases you can use when you are cooking, eating at home, or going to a restaurant. Just like our previous lessons, I will say a phrase, and then I will repeat it. When you hear the pause, it is your turn to speak. Repeat out loud and copy my intonation. Are you ready? Let's start the flow. I am feeling a little bit hungry. I am feeling a little bit hungry. What is your favorite kind of food? What is your favorite kind of food? I am going to the supermarket to buy groceries. I am going to the supermarket to buy groceries. I would like to order a pizza for dinner tonight. I would like to order a pizza for dinner tonight. Do you know any good restaurants around here? Do you know any good restaurants around here? Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I will have the grilled chicken with a salad. I will have the grilled chicken with a salad. Could you bring us the bill, please? Could you bring us the bill, please? I love trying new recipes on the weekend. I love trying new recipes on the weekend. This soup is delicious, but it is a bit spicy. This soup is delicious, but it is a bit spicy. I usually drink water with my meals. I usually drink water with my meals. Would you like to order some dessert? Would you like to order some dessert? I am trying to eat healthier these days. I am trying to eat healthier these days. Let us bake a chocolate cake this afternoon. Let us bake a chocolate cake this afternoon. How do you like your coffee in the morning? How do you like your coffee in the morning? The food is getting cold. Let us eat. The food is getting cold. Let us eat. I am completely full. I cannot eat another bite. I am completely full. I cannot eat another bite. Did you remember to buy fresh fruit? Did you remember to buy fresh fruit? Let us grab a quick snack before we leave. Let us grab a quick snack before we leave. Thank you for cooking such a wonderful meal. Thank you for cooking such a wonderful meal. Amazing job today. You are making great progress, and completing day 3 is a big step forward. For today's homework, I want to know, what is your absolute favorite food? Write your answer in English in the comments below, and I will be reading. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Easy English Flow, smash that like button, and turn on notifications so you are ready for day 4. Keep practicing, keep flowing, and I will see you tomorrow.